Now I'm continuing. I'm going to take this triangle so you can see it a little better, and I'm going to flip it. So that now A is my base, and I'm keeping the B, C, A, all those numbers the very same, all those letters the very same. And now I'm going to look at the sine of the angle B. The area of this triangle is going to be this height divided or times this base, which is A, divided by 2. In my case, it is the sine of B, which is this height, times the hypotenuse, which in this case is C, times the base, A, divided by 2. That also, it's the same triangle, so it's the same area. They are equal, but now I have different letters representing that area. And finally, I'm going to flip this triangle now, so B is the base, and I'm going to talk about angle C, sine of angle C, times the hypotenuse, which is in this case A, times the base B, and that also is divided by 2. Different letters, but they all represent the very same thing, the area of this triangle. All we're changing is the way we're looking at it. Now, since I have this triple equation here, all these things are equal, I'm going to multiply by 2 over A, B, C, little c. This is just whatever this number is. I know that none of these numbers are 0 because it's a triangle. 2 is basically going to cancel out all of these 2's. In this case, the A stays down below, the B cancels with this B, the C cancels with this C, and I'm left with the sine of cap A over lowercase a. That is going to be equal to, now I'm going to cancel this guy out, 2 with that 2 cancels. Now the A cancels, the C cancels, and I'm left with B. So this is the sine of B over lowercase b. And finally, I'm going to do the same now, multiplying through here. I'm left with the sine of C on top, big C. The A cancels with that A. The B cancels with this B, and I'm left with the lowercase c. And that here is the law of sines. It doesn't matter that the triangle is right or not, and I purposely chose a triangle that was not a right triangle. And I get this law, they call it a law, it's really a theorem, that the sine of that angle divided by this ratio will work for any triangle. Next, in the next video, I'll actually use this to solve for a triangle. So stay tuned.